guys, Mixed Media Girl here, and I'm here with my daughter who is begrudgingly helping me with this video. So we're going to be doing a kiss pour, and as I pour, she is going to turn my spinner for me. And I took some suggestions on Facebook for colors, and I loved Kathy Korn's suggestion of gold and black in one cup and then white and turquoise in another. So that's what we're going to do. Ready, Freddie? Okay, you just hang out. Unless, do you want to fill up one of these with white and turquoise? Just layer them, okay? Little layers of each, okay? Like this. So put, yep, so pour some of that back into the white. Yeah. And do just little layers. Yeah, then turquoise. Then back to white, etc. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and point the camera down here. Alright, for those who don't know what a kiss pour is, it's where you take the paint and you pour it simultaneously with two cups here. And they kiss on the way down, basically. And my daughter is going to slowly spin this as I pour. So go ahead, practice, that's perfect.
See, yours is layered, mine isn't. Mine's just side by side.
Alright, this is awesome. Slower. Okay, don't spin anymore. Whew. What do you think?
Can I spin it more?
You want to give it like the spin? Okay, spin it a little harder than you were. A little harder than that.
Dad?
Alright, give it a good spin. There you go. Okay, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. What do you think? I'm gonna give it one more good spin. I want to just spread out some of this white here. Awesome. I think that's great. What do you think, Boo Boo?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, pretty cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay. So here's the close-up. This is super fun. I love the gold with the turquoise over here. I think it's gorgeous. And this is like a crazy snowy tunnel. I think this is a lot of fun. So thank you guys all for the color suggestions. I will definitely be doing a few more of them. And I'll try them as just regular kiss pours without spinning. I just thought it would be fun to try this one with the spinning. And I'm quite happy with the results. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.